here in near Loveland, Colorado. Monday night, about 9:30. Checking out the light show. Pretty impressive sky tonight. Coming off a really hot day. This is kind of a typical night. Rain rolling in, I think. Oh yeah, that was a good one. Amazing thing. Storms are just totally all around us. I'm kind of looking off to the south here. Let's look over to the west. They're off to the north as well. Pretty darn cool. I love this. I'm going to have to stop because I think I'm going to get wet here in a minute. Anyway. Summer storm in Colorado. Hope you liked it. I'll maybe quick again in a little while if it picks up. Whoop. Sorry, I thought I stopped.